stay in one place. Why is that such... What is the point in having a gorilla pod if you're not going to stay in one place? Let's ignore the mini breakdown. Hi again, welcome back. Good morning, guys. It is 9:15 a.m. I am at the house where I'm moving to. I have a bunch of things to do today, but I thought I'd give you an empty house tour before things get hectic and I start getting deliveries. So that's what we're gonna do this morning. I have some things to film. I'm doing a partnership with a security camera company. Really excited about that because obviously moving into a new place, security is such a must. Also, my bed arrived, the bed that you guys helped me pick over on Instagram and TikTok and Pinterest. So yeah, that's the plan. Want to get on with the day. I actually just went to Asda and Costa. Costa have a really great deal. I actually don't enjoy Costa coffee, but I like their bacon rolls a lot, and they have a good deal where if you get a medium drink or a large drink and a bacon roll or a sausage bapple, you know, whatever, it's like £4 something, which is amazing. In Starbucks, I'd pay like £7 something for a bacon roll and a drink, and bearing in mind the Starbucks bacon rolls are bottom of the tier. If there was a tier list between the high street bacon rolls, it would go Nero, Costa, Starbucks. Like, Pret don't do bacon rolls. Starbucks is at the bottom and they charge the most. It's the audacity they have for me. Yeah, I got a green tea though. But yeah, let me show you the house first. And it's raining. Okay, so you're coming from the front door. This is the kitchen. Garden is big, which is quite nice. I have some plans for here. I think we'll go over the plans another time. Excuse the echo because there's no furniture. I like this-ish. The kitchen, it needs some work, but good space, so very happy about that. And then you come through here. What the hell? Absolutely hate these walls. But yeah, good space. Ignore this. This is my mattress. I think a lot can be done here. There is a good amount of space. I will be painting this white. I do like the exposed brick. It's a shame that this fireplace isn't an operating fireplace, but yeah. Then we come up here. And then we've got the bathroom here. Again, really not a fan of this bathroom interior design. It's just a bathroom, good size. I will be doing some renovations. This is one bedroom. If you remember when I was here before I went into my third year, this is the room that I was staying in. Got some floating shelves now, which is nice. This is some storage, like I guess wardrobe, you could also say. And then this is like the room I was using as a study. Condensation on the window needs to be sorted out, but that's fine. Again, really good size. Thinking of putting a desk on that wall or maybe right in front of the window. We'll see the vibes. Definitely want my large mirror in here some way, shape or form, or just a large mirror, not necessarily the one I already have. And then this is the master bedroom. Really not a fan of this old style of wardrobe, but obviously we'll make it work for now until it's time to change things up. Again, good size, can't complain whatsoever. That has arrived already, so we'll be setting that up later. Thank you again for the help choosing it. So yeah, that's basically the house. If you have any tips for some interior design, let me know, but I have some ideas. My Pinterest board is going crazy right now. Follow me on Pinterest, by the way, if you haven't already. But yeah, that's the house.
La musique classique, c'est pour la tête, et le jazz, c'est pour le corps.
Alright guys, alright, I have finished setting up the bed. That took a lot longer than I thought. I've left the plastic on top of it so that it doesn't collect dust whilst I'm not here, but I'm really happy with it. I do need to figure out the placement because I don't know if I want it here or on this wall here where I'm standing, but yeah.
I think that we had a great start and now I just don't want it to go like...
Yeah, I hope they're not like too...
There's not much going on, like pictures wise. And I also looked on the Instagram. Yeah. And they only post, because it's only on for like a week and a half, they only post at the beginning of the week, so this won't go on their thing until the 21st. Right. Because I was like, oh, if they post about him, they might have tagged him.
So this is probably the one that needs to go out the soonest. Good afternoon, guys. It is the next day. Currently in the Pinterest offices, we're getting some work done. Well, we've actually got 3 press interviews today. So we've had one, a director. Her name is Robin. She was so fun and so energetic, and we just had such a great time. So now we've got another press interview in 5 minutes with this guy called Sam. He wrote and is starring in a play called We Were Promised Honey at Soho Theatre. And then at 3 p.m. we have another one with someone called Martin. So yeah, that's basically it. I ended up coming home, and then I was filming some stuff when I got home, then I was editing. This is one thing I did get from the charity shop though. Look at this jacket. Can you even see? Hold on. It's super long. I think I got it for like £15 in the charity shop. It had a detachable hood as well, but I just took it off. So good. And then I'm just pairing it with some white jeans and then a white sweater vest and then my dad's cardigan as well. We said layer up. So yeah, that's the outfit of the day. Kaylee's in the toilet, but we do need to get ready for this interview. So yeah, the plan for the rest of the day, as I said, we've got these 2 more press interviews. We'll probably finish around 3:25. I think Kaylee's back. So yeah, we've got this interview, and then we're gonna go for a celebratory dinner to celebrate some exciting news. That we won't share yet.
Okay.
But yeah, and then we've got an event as well. But as I said, we're in a rush, so we'll catch up in a bit after.
Gosh, these people join with such haste.
But what was the thing in Shakespeare? But soft. What light through yonder window breaks.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi.
Tati and Kaylee, nice to
Yeah,
meet you
nice
both.
to meet
How are
you.
you?
Yeah, good, thank you.
If it's the case that no audience member says anything, we will just sit there in silence for the hours.
Wow.
So, and that's how a lot of the audience participation operates, right?
You're pre-warning the audience at the start that it doesn't have a happy ending. And
Right.
It's interesting you bring that up because one of our segments in our podcast is talking about our favourite and least favourite tropes. So apart from the unhappy ending, what are some of your favourite tropes?
Whether that's to write or to watch.
Yeah.
Either or.
I love multiple storylines of like characters who don't even ever meet running alongside each other.
Yeah,
Okay.
nice.
I love the gang getting together.
Yeah.
I'm not the biggest Marvel fan, but I appreciate the joy of like the gang getting together.
Yeah.
After Soho, we're doing tour next year, which takes us to places like New York, Hong Kong,
Wow.
Canada. Like we're really
Nice.
going everywhere. So that's next year is going to be busy in terms of this show.
Amazing.
Thanks so much,
Well,
guys.
thanks so
Thank
much.
you.
Have a nice rest of your day.
You too. See you next week.
Bye.
Thank you, see.
Bye, guys. Bye.
Recording.
The recording stop thing is so scary, man.
I'm getting hungry. So I get food. If you guys have been following me whilst I was in university, you know how much I love baking cinnamon rolls. I hadn't made them for such a long time, but this is such an easy way to make them. You just get a sheet of puff pastry, use some butter and then cinnamon and sugar, sprinkle that on top and roll it up, cut it up and then put it in the oven for around 15 minutes. So good every single time. Good morning, guys. It is 7:45 in the morning. I'm on my way to this train station, heading into Shoreditch to go to Glassworks. No, I guess it's like a private try-on gifting, shopping sort of experience, which is quite fun. Look, it's absolutely freezing, and this is the first time I'm leaving the house in like 4 days because I've been so ill. But thank you so much for all your get well soon messages on Instagram and stuff. It defo helped because I'm feeling so much better today. But yeah, that's the plan for right now. So let's head into London. After I got to the store at 9, I spent some time learning about the brand. I really fell in love with Glassworks. I could not believe I hadn't heard of it properly before. I tried on some of the pieces, and one thing I loved was that they have new collections every week, but they have very minimal pieces in those collections so that they don't waste. So there's constantly new things, but in a sustainable way, which I think is amazing. The pieces are also such high quality. I fell in love with so many of them. I wish I could have taken everything home. guys enjoyed this vlog. This vlog feels like it's been all over the place. What is wrong with me? I just need to stop saying this because I think we can just all collectively agree that this is how my videos are. We just have to accept it. It's difficult finding structure and creating structure in a video when your life is so far from structured. I've been living out of suitcases for literally the majority of the year. But anyway, super excited nonetheless for the next few videos. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn notifications on so you don't miss any videos. Let me know what your fave piece was from the glasswork stuff that I tried on. I did pick up some stuff. Hope everyone has a great week ahead. I'm gonna go now, but I'll see you next time. So bye.